talking about insulin. Every bit of insulin in the US is produced by just 3 companies, and it shows. Insulin prices have increased by 300% from 2002 to 2013, and the prices of competing insulin brands continue to rise together. Right now, 1 gram of gold is worth $48, and 1 gram of insulin is worth $7,850. Insulin is over 160 times more expensive than gold. There are over 1.25 million Americans with type 1 diabetes, and more are diagnosed every year. These people need insulin to live. And as if the price tag isn't enough, diabetes is also unavoidably accompanied by serious health complications, no matter how good a diabetic is at regulating their blood sugar. Our solution is the Phyr machine. This machine would allow diabetics to produce insulin in their own homes. Just input when you'll run out, and the machine will start up, produce and purify this insulin solution, and fill bottles right when you need them. Additionally, we've found a way to absolve health concerns. There are 4 proteins in the pancreas that are naturally released with insulin, and recent studies show that when diabetics are given some of these proteins alongside their insulin, those health complications are not only avoided, but reversed and resolved. Our production method would include these proteins. Treatment will be much cheaper, production will be much faster, and most importantly, the insulin produced will heal diabetics of other health issues that before now we couldn't do anything about. Thank you.